Hi, good morning children. So now I take the class for first standard. Okay children? Yes. So in the last class we do that lesson number 2 Akshara Vyanjanakshars. Yes or no? I read the words from Ka to Nya. Yes or no children? Yes. So in the next week having FA1 test. Okay children? So that's why now I do revision. Okay. So I give the revision paper also. So look here. So that FA1 portion and revision paper. So class first. So for your FA1 portions having Varnamala, Matraye, Barakkadi and lesson number 1 Aksharagnan. Okay children. So that's why you practice in Hindi Varnamala, then vowel sound symbols. That after Barakkadi, then first lesson words from A to Aha words. Understand? Yes. See, revision first main. Hindi Swarakshar Likiye. So we learn only vowel letter words. Yes or no? So that's why now I give the only vowel letters. Understand? For which letters we call vowel letters children? From A to Aha. Yes or no? Yes, so that one practice in your rough book 5 or 6 times. Okay children? Then see, for which letters we call vowel letters? From A to Aha. So they are having total 13 letters. That 13 letters we call Swarakshar. Yes, I will read the letters, listen, and one thing, so when you write the Hindi letters, must and should you touch that line in upside and write the letters. Got it? Yes. A, I, U, Ru, Ye, I, Wo, Au, Aha. So this like total 13 letters you write. So these are all letters we call Swarakshar. Understood? Yes. Next. Swaron ki matra ye. What have in the second main? Swaron ki matraye likiye. That means you write vowel sound symbols. Understood? For which letters we call vowel letters children? From A to Aha. Yes or no? So that letter have some symbols. So that symbols we call vowel sound symbols. Understood? Yes, see. First, you write the letters this like A, I, U, Ru, Ye, I, Wo, Au, Aha. So first you write the letters this like, after write symbols. Understood? See the first A not have any symbol. Understood? So that's like, so you put symbol this one. Then second A. See, if you put one line, then you touch that line in upside also. So that is second A letter symbol. Understood? Next E. So that letter before you put this symbol means that is E letter symbol. Then E. So that means for all letter after you put symbol this one, join the letter and put the symbol. So that is second E letter symbol. Next U. So that letter downside you put symbol U. Then U. That also letter downside put symbol. Then Ru. If you put small c, that all letter downside. So that is Ru letter symbol. Ye. For letter you touch only one symbol in upside. That is A letter symbol. I. So that letter upside you put double symbol means that is I letter symbol. Then Wo. Letter after you put one line, then you put upside one symbol means that is O letter symbol. Then Au. Letter after you put one line, you put double symbol in upside means that is Au letter symbol. Then So letter upside you put one dot, that is letter symbol. Aha. Letter after you put double dot means that is A letter symbol. Got it? So this like they having total 13 letters, 13 symbols. So that symbols we call Swaron ki matraye. Understood? Vowel sound symbols. Okay children, so that is the second main. Yes, come to next main. थर्ड में इन अक्षरों को 12 कड़ी लिखिए. इन अक्षरों को 12 कड़ी लिखिए. That means use the vowel sound symbols and write 12 कड़ी for the consonants letters. So ಆ vowel sound symbols ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಕಾನ್ಸನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಖ ಇಂದ ಲ ವರೆಗೂ ಬರೆಯೋ ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳಿಗೆ ಕಾ ಗುಣಿತ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. See, so that is first ka. So you write 12 kadi. Ka, ka, ki, ki, ku, ku, kru, ke, kai, ko, kau, kam, kaha. Understood? So this like use the symbols and make a word 12 kadi. Then cha, 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 chi, chi, chu, chu, chru, che, chai, cho, chow, cham, chaha. Then ta, 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 ti, ti, tu, tu, tru, te, tai, to, tau, tam, taha. Then pa, 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 pi, pi, pu, pu, pru, pe, pai, po, pau, pam, paha. Then ma, 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 mi, mi, mu, mu, mru, me, mai, mo, mau, mam, maha. So this like having 12 kadi. Okay children, they are given any letters, you write the 12 kadi this like. Understood? So that is the third main. Yes, come to fourth main. इन अक्षरों के शब्द बनाइए. इन अक्षरों के शब्द बनाइए. That means they given some letters. You write the words of the letters in English and Hindi both also. Understood? See the first letter E. So what have in the word E-ma-li? Imali. What's the meaning of the word Imali? Tamarind. T-A-M-A-R-I-N-D. Tamarind. Then A-ma. Am. Mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. Then Aujara. Aujar. Tools. T-O-O-L-S. Tools. Then Oud. Oud, an otter, A-N, an O-T-T-E-R, an otter. Then A-D, heel, H-E-E-L, heel. Then Os, dew, D-E-W-O, dew. Then Eek, sugarcane, S-U-G-A-R-C-A-N-E, sugarcane. Then Rushi, sage, S-A-G-E, sage. So this like they are given the letters means you write the Hindi words and write the meanings of the words in English. Got it children? So that is the fourth main. Yes, come to next main. Fifth main, इन शब्दों को हिंदी में लिखिए. That means they are given some English words. So you write meanings of that English words in Hindi. Understood? What I have in the first word? Pomegranate. That means anar. Yes or no? Yes, write down the Hindi words. Anar. A-na-ra. Anar. Next, tamarind. That means imali. I-ma-li. Imali. Then owl. Ullu. Next, heel. A-D. Then dew, Os. Tools, aujar. Grapes, angur. Morning, pratah. So that like they are given in English words means you write Hindi words. Understood? Once again I will read that. Pomegranate, anar, tamarind, imali, owl, ullu, heel, A-D, dew, Os. Tools, aujar, grapes, angur, morning, pratah. Understood? Yes. See the next main. इन शब्दों को अंग्रेजी में लिखिए. इन शब्दों को अंग्रेजी में लिखिए. That means they given Hindi words. You write English words. Understood? Yes. Next. What's the meaning of the word in English? Mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. Next. Eek. Sugarcane. S-U-G-A-R-C-A-N-E. Sugarcane. Then oud. An otter. A-N-O-T-T-E-R. An otter. Next. Airavat. That means Indra's elephant. I-N-D-R-A'(S). Indra's E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Indra's elephant. Next, auger. That means tools. T-O-O-L-S. Tools. Got it? So this like they're given Hindi words means you write English words. Understood? Once I will read that, listen. Mango, eek, sugarcane, oud, an otter, Airavat, Indra's elephant, auger, tools. Okay, children? Yes. So come to last main. चित्रों को पहचान कर नाम लिखिए. That means they are given some picture. So you identify the picture and write down the name. Okay, children? Yes, see, look at the picture. What have in the first picture? So that is pomegranate. Yes or no? Yes. What we called in Hindi word? Anar. So identify the picture and write down the name there in Hindi. Got it? A-na-ra. Anar. Second one, tamarind. Yes or no? What we called in Hindi word? Imali. I-ma-li. Imali. Yes, next, third one, that is AD. What we called in Hindi word? AD. Next, dew. What we called in Hindi word? Os. Yes, look at the last picture, that is grapes. So what we called in Hindi word? Angur. Understood? So these are all words. The given picture means you identify the words. Okay, children? So this much having for FA1 test revision paper. Okay. So total they are having 7 mains. Yes or no? So first that all mains write in your homework once. That after practice 4 or 5 times in your rough book. Okay, children? If you are having any doubts. Okay, children. So all of you must should practice in your rough book and write neatly in your test. Okay. Thank you.